Hey guys, how you guys doing? This is it with Blue Collar. I'm gonna go ahead. Today I have the 11-in-1 impact rated ratcheting screwdriver, nut driver from Klein tools. I'm gonna do the unboxing of it. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11-in-1. You get a flathead. You get a 3/8. You go ahead and get two of these little connections. You get a 5/16. You get a square head. Oh, here it is. You get a 1.5, a quarter, a half. You get a T25, a 5/16, a number 2, a number 1 square, flat, quarter, flat 3/16, 1 and 2 Phillip. Here's what it says. Here's the back. It also shows you the whole kit that you get. So we're gonna check it out right now, guys. I'm gonna open it, see how it is. So here it is. Feels good. Okay, so alright, so you go this way, that way. Okay, and it shows you here's the arrows. Now how do you take this out? Let's see. Is it like this? Oh, okay, so you just pull it out. Okay, 11-in-1. Here's what the inside looks like. Here's a twist. Twist that way, twist that. It's simple. You can do it with one hand too. Look at that. Here's what comes with it. Look at that. Here's a square one. Here's your other Phillip. Here's your 5/16. You can attach that to your drill if you need a chuck. Here's your other setup. Here's your other one that comes out of this one, out of your 3/8. I think what is that? That's some oil. That's pretty neat. Like actually, they greased that up. So flathead right there. Your star right there. Your chuck. And it's not magnetic. It's just, so if you put a screw there, don't expect for it to stick in there. And this, how the heck does this come out? Or just pull it out. And they said this one comes up too. Okay. Pat pending. So these little things do not come out. Nope, they don't come out. So you stick them in there. You stick it in there. Boom, you're 11-in-1 right there. This is pretty neat. Stick, take it out, pull, flip it, done. Klein tools, 11-in-1 ratcheting. See you guys later.